Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, let us see what is the performance of the crude oil today. So, in the morning, what you have to do? We have to keep in default settings. Okay. Once market has reached either buy entry or sell entry, we have to trade. See here, market has opened here, and our buy entry is at 5716, and our sell entry is at 5781. If market comes first here, we have to be in buy side only, not in sell side. When we have to ignore the sell entry and we have to trade only in the buy entry. Suppose if market has reached here first, we have to trade only in sell side, not in buy side. Okay. This is the first very simple thing. Then secondly, once buy activated, we have to remove the sell entry. See here, enable the first buy targets and first buy SL and remove the first sell, second buy entry and second sell entry. Everything you have to remove. So now here what happened? So the first buy got activated at 5716 and the low made was 5707. First target 5742 achieved, 5767 achieved and 5793 also achieved. Exactly achieved. The high made was 5794. So how many points we have got from 5716 to 5793? That you have to calculate. So let me calculate for you. I'm taking the calculator. So 5793 minus 5716. So we have got 77 points profit. How many points profit? 77 points profit you have got in single lot. Okay, 77 points profit in a single entry. So now how we have to trade? So is it possible to book all the profit? No. How to trade? You have to take 3 lot. Okay, here you have to take 3 lot. Book the one lot at the first target. Revise the stop loss to cost. Then book the second lot at the second lot and revise the stop loss to first target. Then book the third lot at the third target. Otherwise, you can keep revising the stop loss and book the third target. If you are a small trader and you don't want to take any risk, book at the first target itself and come out of the market. So now by this way, if you are booked, so how much profit you have got? So initially you have got some 27 points. So how many points I show you? 5716 to 5742, 26 points. So next one 26 points, then 26 points. So totally 27 points you have got the profit. 27 into 27 and 27 and 93 the last target. So to finally you have got the 77 points profit per lot. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. Now I show you other script also. Other script what I can show you, Bank Nifty I show you. See here, see the perfection. Exactly our buy entry activated and 2 targets done. Exactly our buy entry activated and 2 targets done. So this is the case in all the script. Whichever script you want to trade, you trade. It is up to you. Okay. Thank you all for watching us. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and join our free Telegram group in the name of MST School of Trading. For any doubts, please call us at 9500009154. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.